YouTube has become the second largest search engine in the world, and it's no wonder more and more people are diving into YouTube full time. For starters, we now have people who've started their own businesses just by regularly creating content on YouTube. We also have artists who have become super successful just by recording videos and putting them up on YouTube. The world is also seeing the likes of the world's first YouTube millionaires. Maybe you want to start a YouTube channel to earn $1 million. Maybe you just want to start a YouTube channel to teach the world about something you're passionate about. Or maybe it's just a hobby for you. Whatever the case, you need to make sure your YouTube channel is optimized to get good reach and high subscriber retention. In this video, I'm going to help you set up your YouTube channel along with the right optimization settings to make sure your channel gets discovered by tons and tons of viewers. Hey makers, I'm Jack, the content marketer at Picmaker, a free DIY graphic design tool that helps you create everything from YouTube banners to presentations. If you're new to this channel, click the subscribe button so you never miss any of our awesome, helpful and highly informative videos. Stick till the end of this video and I'll give you a quick walk around of our YouTube studio and the best practices you need to follow while uploading a video to your channel. Here are the sections we will cover in this video. First, creating and naming your YouTube channel. Second, adding a perfect profile picture. Third, adding the right description. Fourth, adding your website link and other social media links. Fifth, adding a banner to your channel. And finally, best practices for uploading your videos and a tour of the YouTube studio. Without any further delay, let's dive in. If you've already created your YouTube channel, feel free to skip this section of the video. If this is your first time creating a channel, let's jump in.
So the very first thing that you need to do is type in www.youtube.com in the search bar. Once you are on YouTube, click on your icon at the top right corner. So you can either click on create a channel to create a new channel with your current account, or click on switch account to create a new YouTube channel with any other account. So once you click on create account, a new pop-up will appear. This pop-up will prompt you to enter the name of your channel along with a good profile picture. For now, I want my channel to be of something travel related. So I'm going to enter the name called Jaga the Traveler. And just like that, you've actually created your very first YouTube channel and named it. So we've now created our YouTube channel and given it a suitable name. But a YouTube channel will always be incomplete without a good looking profile picture. Let's see how we can create an awesome profile picture with Picmaker.
After your name, your profile picture is probably the most important thing for your YouTube channel. It's never cool to judge a book by its cover, but we humans definitely judge a YouTube channel by its name and profile picture. So in this section, I'll show you how to choose a stunning profile picture and take it from okay to wow with Picmaker.
Go to www.picmaker.com. We've left a link to it in the description. If you're an existing user, click on the login button, and if you're a new user, click on the sign up button and create an account for free. So this is Picmaker's dashboard, the place where all the magic happens. The dimension for your profile picture is 800 into 800 pixels. So we need to click on the create button and search for the tab named custom size. Once you click on custom size, a new pop-up will appear. Here you will need to enter the dimensions for your YouTube profile picture, which is 800 into 800 pixels. Once you enter the right dimensions, click on create design and you will be taken to Picmaker's artboard. On the artboard, select the upload tab and click on the upload button. A new window will pop up and you will be asked to select your own file or your photo. Select one of your very best photos which can be used for your profile picture and click on open. Once the picture loads up onto Picmaker, drag and drop it onto your artboard. Now click on effects and select remove background to remove the background from your picture. Once you're satisfied with the picture, click on finish. You can also add a cool outline by clicking on the Stickerify option under effects. Select a suitable color and adjust the thickness of your outline to give your picture a cool pop-up effect. Now go ahead and play around with the background colors for your profile picture. If you already have a brand color, you can always use it on your profile picture. If you're clueless about selecting the right color, you can always select the background tab and add one of our preset gradient colors to the background. Finally, choose some appropriate filters for your picture and you will be good to go. When you're satisfied with all the colors, filters and effects, click on the download button on the top right corner. Give it a suitable file name and click on download. And just like that, your profile picture is all ready. Now, wasn't that easy? Now let's look at how you can upload your awesome profile picture to your YouTube channel. To upload your picture, go to your channel and click on your logo, which is placed to the left of your channel's name. This will open up your YouTube studio. Once you're on your YouTube studio, click on the upload button next to the picture tab. In the window that opens up, select the profile picture that we have just downloaded from Picmaker. Once you click on open, you'll be asked to align the profile picture in the right way. Since we've downloaded it in the perfect dimension, that job is sorted out. But once you've aligned it, click on done. Now finally, go ahead and click on the publish button. Once all the changes have been published, click on view channel to take a look at your YouTube channel with your beautiful and awesome profile picture.
Description should convey what your channel is about while giving some context about who you are and what you do. You get bonus points if you can convey that information in a storytelling format. In this section, we'll look at the descriptions of some of the most famous YouTube channels and use them as an inspiration to create yours. Let's go.
To add your channel description, click on Customize Channel and go to your YouTube studio. Select the tab name Basic Info and you will see the text box where you can add and customize your channel description. But before we write the channel description, let's take a look at some of the examples to try and get some inspiration. Let's start with Kritika's channel. Kritika's description is written in the form of an impactful story. It says that she quit her job to travel the world and live a life of freedom. Now isn't that interesting? She has also added some links to her social media channels along with a link to her YouTube masterclass. Below that, she also has a few FAQs which are very interesting. Up next, we have Wander with Sky's YouTube channel. Yet again, we have another interesting description that explains the number of countries he's visited till date. He has also given a peek into his life by adding links to his social media channels. Finally, he has given his email ID so you can contact him with any business or personal inquiries. Our third example is from Doug Bernard. Doug has just one line for his channel description, which definitely stands out. Danny also follows the same style with a single line for his YouTube description. Up next, there's Allison, who's gone the opposite way and added her email address at the top. Below that, she has written a few lines explaining about her interests and what you can expect in this channel. And finally, we have Romero, who are a couple who travel the world together. Personally, this is one of my favorite YouTube descriptions so far. Like Kritika, they've also added links to their website and social media channels at the end. With all these examples in mind, let's try and create a kick-ass description for our travel-based YouTube channel. Initially, let's start with who you are and what you do. Then maybe you can also explain your personal and professional goals with this YouTube channel. You can sum it up with links to your website and social media channels. And finally, add your email address or if you're a bit daring, your phone number where people can reach out to you. Once you've written it all down, make sure that there aren't any grammatical or other errors. Once you've double checked everything, click on publish and then view channel to see all the changes you've made on your channel.
Give yourselves an applause. You've written a beautiful and stunning description for your YouTube channel, but you're only halfway there. Adding the links to your website and social media channels is the next and the most important part. Let's jump into it quickly.
The links on your YouTube banner is one of the most important elements on your YouTube channel. For example, let's take a look at Kritika's channel. She has added multiple links which points to her Instagram profile, her Twitter profile, and also to her YouTube masterclass. To add links like this on your YouTube channel, click on Customize Channel and go to the tab named Basic Info. For this example, I'm going to add the links to Picmaker's official website along with links to my Twitter and Instagram profile. For the time being, let's also upload a dummy YouTube banner so we can see the links once we've made the changes. Once you've added the links and your YouTube banner, click on Publish and then on View Channel. Now you can see that all your website and social media links have been displayed here. Now this is just a great way to get your viewers from your YouTube channel to your other social media channels or even your website.
If you consider your profile picture and channel name as the front cover of your book, your YouTube banner is probably the back cover of your book. And very few people ever subscribe to the channel without looking at the banner. So you got to make sure that your YouTube banner is created to perfection. In this section, I'll show you how you can create a custom YouTube banner from scratch with Picmaker.
There are two ways to create an awesome YouTube banner. The first way is to hire a freelance designer to create your banner. You can always go to websites like Upwork to find a designer who fits your style and your budget. Once you find the right person, you can give them the necessary prompts and your ideas to create the banner. But if you don't have an extensive budget, or maybe you're looking for a cost-effective way to create a YouTube banner, you can use Picmaker. Jump onto Picmaker's dashboard and select YouTube channel art/banner. This will take you to the YouTube banner artboard, which is empty. Feel free to select a suitable template from the templates tab. Or if you're feeling really creative, you can also create a template from scratch. Change the text on your banner and add one of your own pictures. Change the color on your background too. You can add new effects to your fonts. Feel free to add new icons or delete old ones on the template too. And if you feel like you lack a bit of the creative juice, feel free to use our Matte button. You can generate tons of pictures, font and color options with just the simple click of a button. And as I mentioned before, you can search for relevant objects or icons and add them to your YouTube banner. Once you're completely satisfied with your YouTube banner, give it a suitable file name and click on download. Now we're done with the hard part of this step. The easy part is uploading your banner to your YouTube channel. Go to your YouTube channel and click on the Add Banner button on your existing YouTube banner. This will take you to your YouTube studio, where you can click on the Change button next to the Banner Image tab. Select the file we have just downloaded and click on OK. Once everything is set, click on Publish and then click on View Channel. And boom, we have updated our YouTube channel with a custom YouTube banner.
Wow, you made it till the last step. And here's a virtual high five for making this so far. This step is all about adding the final customizations to your YouTube channel. It involves everything from adding a featured video to creating featured sections and video watermarks for your YouTube channel. But a small note, if you haven't uploaded any new videos to your YouTube channel, some steps in here might be irrelevant to you. So let's dive in.
Now that we have added everything from a kick-ass profile picture to a custom YouTube banner, let's customize it even further. This is where you can modify everything from your playlist to how videos will be displayed on your channel. Since we don't have any new videos on this channel, all of this is empty. So we'll go ahead and show you how we have organized Picmaker's YouTube channel. We're on Picmaker's YouTube channel now. We're going to follow the same process here. Click on Customize Channel to open up the YouTube Studio. The first option that you will see is the ability to change or remove our channel title. This will be displayed at the top of a YouTube channel's homepage. You can also add a featured video which will be shown to returning subscribers. Finally, you can add, remove or customize the featured sections on our channel. This will be displayed below the channel trailer and on your playlist tab. Next, we move on to the branding tab where we added our profile picture and our YouTube banner. There's the option called as a video watermark. For now, I'm going to select Picmaker's logo as the watermark for our channel. You can choose to display it at the end of the video, at a custom start time, or all through the video. Once you've selected the suitable option, click on Publish and click on Go to Channel. You can now see the watermark displayed at the bottom right corner of our channel trailer. I'm going to click on New Video and yes, you can see the watermark is displayed here too. Once a user clicks on the watermark, they will be taken to your channel's homepage and thereby you will be able to convert more of your visitors into full-time subscribers. Finally, you have the Basic Info tab where you can add your description, channel links, contact information, and all the other good stuff.
And finally, the bonus step is here. Some of the best practices for uploading a YouTube video along with a small tour of YouTube Studio. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to upload a mock video along with a custom thumbnail. I'll also show you how you can look at your YouTube Studio and make sense of all the craziness going around in here. If you've not created your first video yet, feel free to bookmark this video and watch it when you create your own. But for now, let's get started.
To upload your very first video, click on the Upload Video button on your homepage. A new window will pop up asking you to select your files. Search for your video, select it and click on Open. While the video gets uploaded, let's find a suitable title and description for your video. Since I've added a sample video of the beach, let's name this as my first trip to the beach. You can also type up a short description explaining what's in the video. Feel free to add the relevant links and contact information in your description too. Once you've set up the title and the description, we need to add a slick YouTube thumbnail. YouTube will actually help you by selecting a custom frame from your video as a thumbnail. But using a custom thumbnail is a proven way to increase the number of clicks and views on your video. Yet again, to create your own custom thumbnail, You can use a free DIY graphic design tool like Picmaker. Once you are on Picmaker's dashboard, click on the tab named YouTube Thumbnail. This will take you to the blank artboard where you can select one of our pre-made templates. Customize the text to match the title of your video. Feel free to go to the Image tab and select a picture that matches the concept of your video. And as a masterstroke, you can also add one of your own pictures to your YouTube thumbnail. Remove the background, add a slick outline with the Stickerify feature, and align it on your thumbnail. Once everything is set, give it a suitable name and click on the download button. On your video upload window, click on Upload Thumbnail. This will open up a new window where you can select your custom YouTube thumbnail that we just downloaded. Make your final changes and go through all the nitty-gritties, like is this video made for kids, the video elements you want to add, and checking copyright issues. On the final tab, you can choose to either publish the video immediately or schedule it for a later date or time. If you're choosing to publish it now, you can either publish it as a private video, publish it as an unlisted video, or publish it as a public video. For now, I'm going to set it as public and publish the video. And boom! We have just uploaded our very first YouTube video to our YouTube channel. And as promised, here's a quick tour of Picmaker's YouTube studio. The performance of your latest video will always be displayed at the top of your YouTube studio. You can see all the stats like the number of views, the click-through rate, and the average view duration for the particular video. You can also click on the Analytics tab to understand how your channel has been performing over a certain period of time. You can take a look at the watch time, the number of views, the number of subscribers over that certain period. The following tabs will also allow you to check out your reach, engagement, and audience for your YouTube channel. Without ever using an external third-party tool, you can deep dive into your own data to understand what your audience love and what they hate. All this data will help you make informed decisions while creating the next few videos for your YouTube channel. You should also check out the other tabs like comments, copyrights, subtitles, and monetization to have full control and a very good idea of what's going on in your YouTube channel. And finally, stay true to your data, look at it regularly, and it will help you build a successful YouTube channel quicker. I certainly hope that this quick walkthrough of YouTube Studio was really helpful to you.
So that's officially the end of this video. To wrap things up, here's a short summary of what we've seen in this video. We created a YouTube channel and added a name and a profile picture. We wrote our custom description and linked website and other social media channels. We also created a custom YouTube banner and took a look at some of the YouTube best practices. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do hit the like button. We release interesting videos like this every single week. If you want to watch all of our awesome videos, do subscribe to our channel. With all that said, this is Jag signing off from Picmaker's YouTube channel. Happy designing!